Hi, I'm Shuri Pop. Welcome to Umami Kitchen. I'm gonna make spicy stir-fry udon today. It's called spicy Yaki Udon, Sichuan style. I'm gonna use chili paste, Doubanjiang, and Huajiao, Sichuan peppercorn, and dried chilies. Let's get started. I'm gonna use Yaki Udon sauce, which is exactly same as basic Yaki Udon. You can check this video, or you can go to the link in description. Better crush the Sichuan peppercorn, more spicy, and bring out the flavor. Eggplant. Cut it into stick. Green capsicum, Shiitake mushroom, take out a bowl, and slice. Fish cake. Pressed garlic, and chop. Oh, I have a leek. Cut rice. Put oil more than you think. Cook eggplant as deep fry. Stop the heat and once take it out. Take out some oil too. Keep some oil and put garlic. Chili paste. Huajiao. Dry chilies. Turn on the low heat and cook them for a while to make it more spicy. And up to medium or high heat. Add fish cake and shiitake mushroom. Leek, capsicum, put udon noodles and mix well. pour Yaki Udon sauce. And mix well and make it dry. Back eggplant on the fry pan. Add chili oil. Okay, let's try. I add hoa jiao. So amazing. Oh, so hot. Very nice.